The surprising weight loss benefits of avocados on keto introduction. When it comes to weight loss and dieting, the ketogenic diet has become one of the most popular choices in recent years. This high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan encourages the body to enter a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. One of the most beloved foods among keto dieters is the avocado, a nutrient-packed fruit that fits perfectly within the diet's macronutrient guidelines. While the creamy green fruit has long been lauded for its healthy fats and versatility, its potential weight loss benefits, especially in the context of a keto diet, are often underappreciated. In this article, we will delve into the surprising ways avocados can support weight loss on the keto diet, examining their nutritional profile, the role of healthy fats, and how they can be incorporated into meals for optimal fat burning. Understanding the keto diet. The ketogenic diet is designed to shift the body's metabolism from relying on glucose, sugar, for energy to burning fat. By drastically reducing carbohydrates and increasing fat intake, the body enters a state known as ketosis. In ketosis, the liver converts fats into ketones, which become the primary energy source. This state promotes fat burning and can lead to weight loss, especially when combined with a healthy, balanced diet. The keto diet typically involves consuming about 70 to 75% of daily calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. This makes it essential to choose foods that are rich in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates. Avocados, with their high fat content and low carb count, are a perfect match for this dietary pattern. But their benefits go far beyond just fitting into the diet's macronutrient ratios. Avocados' nutritional powerhouse. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals that support overall health. A typical medium-sized avocado contains around 240 calories, 22 grams of fat, mostly heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, 12 grams of carbohydrates, of which 10 grams are fiber, and 3 grams of protein. Let's break down these components and explore how they contribute to weight loss. Healthy fats. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been linked to reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Unlike saturated fats, which can contribute to weight gain when consumed in excess, monounsaturated fats have been shown to promote satiety, fullness, and support healthy weight management. When consumed in moderation, the fats in avocados can help prevent overeating by keeping you feeling full for longer periods. Fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in weight loss by promoting digestion, regulating blood sugar levels, and increasing feelings of fullness. Avocados are high in fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. The fiber content in avocados also slows the absorption of fats and carbohydrates, promoting a gradual release of energy and helping you avoid energy crashes that can lead to overeating. Low carbohydrate content. While the keto diet restricts carbohydrates, avocados fit perfectly into this framework due to their low-carb content. Despite their creamy texture and richness, avocados are incredibly low in carbohydrates, making them an ideal food for maintaining ketosis. Their high fiber content further reduces the net carbohydrate count, which means you can enjoy the health benefits without worrying about spiking your blood sugar or kicking your body out of ketosis. Micronutrients. In addition to fats, fiber, and protein, avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health and weight loss. They are an excellent source of potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and prevent bloating. Avocados are also rich in vitamins E and C, which act as antioxidants and support skin health. Magnesium, folate, and B vitamins further contribute to a healthy metabolism, making avocados an all-around nutrient powerhouse. How avocados help with weight loss on keto. Avocados have a unique ability to support weight loss, particularly on a ketogenic diet. Here are some of the ways they can aid in shedding excess pounds. Increased satiety. One of the main challenges of weight loss is managing hunger and cravings. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados work together to create a feeling of fullness that can last for hours. This satiety can reduce overall calorie intake, making it easier to stick to the calorie limits necessary for weight loss. Since the keto diet is already designed to reduce hunger by encouraging fat burning, adding avocados to meals can enhance this effect, leading to less snacking and a more sustainable calorie deficit. Stable blood sugar levels. High carbohydrate diets can cause blood sugar levels to spike and crash, leading to hunger and energy dips. However, avocados have a low glycemic index, which means they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Instead, the fats and fiber in avocados help stabilize blood sugar levels, leading to more consistent energy and fewer cravings for high-carb foods. This is especially beneficial for those following a keto diet, where maintaining stable blood sugar is key to staying in ketosis and optimizing fat burning and energy utilization. The fats in avocados are not just beneficial for satiety, they also play a key role in the body's ability to burn fat. On a keto diet, the body switches to burning fat for fuel. By consuming healthy fats like those found in avocados, you're fueling this process while promoting the use of stored body fat. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats in avocados can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, which can support overall metabolic health and improve fat-burning efficiency. Balanced macronutrient intake. One of the keys to successful weight loss is maintaining a balanced intake of macronutrients, fat, protein, and carbohydrates. The avocado's macronutrient profile is perfectly aligned with the keto diet, providing a high-quality fat source without adding unnecessary carbs. Including avocados in meals helps maintain the proper fat-to-carb ratio, ensuring the body stays in ketosis and continues to burn fat effectively. This balance also promotes sustainable weight loss over time, without the need for extreme calorie restriction or unsustainable dieting practices. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often linked to obesity and metabolic disorders. The monounsaturated fats in avocados, particularly oleic acid, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Lower inflammation can improve metabolic function, support healthy insulin sensitivity, and make it easier for the body to burn fat. Reducing inflammation also supports overall well-being and may contribute to more effective weight loss over time. How to incorporate avocados into a keto diet. Given their versatility, avocados can be easily added to a variety of meals. Here are some delicious ways to incorporate this superfood into your keto diet. Avocado with eggs. For a keto-friendly breakfast, pair sliced avocado with scrambled eggs or an avocado-based omelet. The combination of healthy fats and protein will keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Guacamole. Guacamole is a classic way to enjoy avocado on the keto diet. Pair it with raw veggies like cucumbers, bell peppers, or celery for a low-carb snack or side dish. You can also add guacamole to salads, tacos, or grilled chicken for extra flavor and fat. Avocado smoothies. Blend avocado into your morning smoothie for added creaminess and healthy fats. Combine it with unsweetened almond milk, spinach, chia seeds, and a low-carb protein powder for a nutrient-packed, keto-friendly breakfast. Avocado salads. Toss cubes of avocado into leafy green salads, along with other keto-friendly vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, and olives. A drizzle of olive oil and vinegar dressing will complement the healthy fats in the avocado and create a satisfying low-carb meal. Avocado in baking. Use mashed avocado as a substitute for butter or oil in keto-friendly baking recipes. This adds a rich texture while keeping your carbs in check. Conclusion. Avocados are more than just a trendy superfood. They are a powerful ally in weight loss, especially for those following a ketogenic diet. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, avocados help promote satiety, stabilize blood sugar, and support the body's natural fat-burning processes. Their low carbohydrate content makes them a perfect fit for keto, ensuring that dieters stay in ketosis while enjoying a nutrient-rich, satisfying food. By incorporating avocados into your daily meals, you can boost your chances of successful weight loss and enjoy a variety of delicious, nutrient-dense dishes that support your health goals. Whether you're new to keto or a seasoned pro, avocados are a must-have food in your weight loss journey.